I'm going to show you how to do a sassy wing. I'm 45 years old and I have hooded eyes. Angled brush, black eyeshadow. That's what you're going to use for your liner. It's much more forgiving than liquid liner. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on my brush, tap it off, and over top of that I'm going to get my black eyeshadow. I'm going to start right here in the very corner, bringing it out. Close your eyes right above your eyelashes. It's going to feel like you're like digging into them. You want to get that black right snug, as if you're just snugging it in your lashes. Going to get it on your upper and lower line. Upper and lower waterline. Bring it about halfway over so keep your eye open. Grab some more of your concealer along with black eyeshadow. Blow off the extra so you don't get so much black eyeshadow crumblies on your face. This is the important part. If you've got hooded eyes, go right here where the black part of your eye, the very center of your pupil. Start right there and go sideways. When you are going over your hood, keep your eye open and just drag it on down as if she don't even exist. That's where you're going to get that difference. Grab a little bit more of your concealer, eyeshadow, and continue just to fill all the gaps in there with your eye open only. It's going to fit and look right whenever you're actually looking straight on with someone. Now you can relax if you want, if you've got your lines. Don't worry about it. If it's a mess, we're going to clear up. I'm just filling that in all the way, and as I do it, I like to open it up my eye so I can see everywhere to get it really, really good. Grab a smaller angle brush. Don't forget to put your concealer on first. Black eyeshadow, blow it off. And right here on my lower lid, I can open my eye now, and I can continue bringing it out like straight all the way to where my crease is. I can't go past that crease. You can't crisscross them. Can't crisscross your lines. It'll take away that illusion. And then you can go over here to the other side as well, and you can bring that in a little. Don't change the shape of it. This is for advanced. Maybe don't do all that. But when you're actually drawing your line, it's gotta match. Now to keep this from going anywhere, loose setting powder over top of it. She ain't going nowhere. Anything that you put setting powder over top of that's makeup is going to lock it in. So that's how you do the eyeliner. And if it is not neat and exactly how you want it, or you want to change the shape at all, get you a Q-tip with a little bit of Vaseline and clean that bad boy up.